recently in security. The latest iteration of MITRE ATT&CK framework helps your enterprise identify the most relevant tactics and techniques used by threat actors. A silently patched PHP object injection vulnerability is analyzed by Carmine Security. Mark Curphey outlined the upcoming security tools crash and what that means for security teams, and how an attacker could drain millions of dollars from a blockchain with just one line of code. With version 12 of MITRE ATT&CK for Enterprise, you gain access to techniques, sub-techniques, threat actor groups, campaigns, and software and malware. Tactics from the Enterprise Matrix range from reconnaissance and initial access all the way to lateral movement, command and control, collection, and infiltration. Check out the latest version to research threats, understand attack lifecycles, track threat actors, and map attacks. Carmine Security details a silently patched PHP object injection vulnerability impacting select vBulletin versions prior to 5.5.3. The vulnerable PHP code unserializes a request parameter without validation, allowing the attacker to craft a pop chain to execute arbitrary PHP code. With the state of the global economic climate paired with several other conditions, Mark Curphey claims that a massive security startup crash will soon take place. This could lead to security teams looking to downsize the amount of tools they use, security taking less priority in developer tools and cloud platforms, the emergence of new all-in-one common security platforms, security startups going out of business, and companies cutting their security budgets. Last, a security researcher published a proof of concept regarding how they could drain millions of dollars from the Godwoken chain with just one line of code. The attack exploits a bug in Uniswap version 2 forks, where Uniswap first transfers the out tokens and then verifies the user transferred the in tokens. With a bug existing in the swap function, the state is not reverted and the attacker balance will keep the transferred tokens. Thank you for watching this episode of Recently in Security. Please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on the notification bell, and liking the video if you would like to see more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.